bought a townhome in Spanish Fort.
Yeah.
And her townhome has water seeping in from the outside and flooding her garage. And when we were doing an inspection with the overseer of whoever builds the townhomes, we asked him point blank,
Right.
is this water, it was a red stain in the garage. I said, is this coming from outside in? No, ma'am, it is not.
Right.
And every time it has rained, her garage floods.
Well, in a situation like that, my suggestion would be to immediately and do not delay, go ahead and seek the advice of a lawyer who handles this kind of work. The reason a lot of times I'll say, well, just see what the other side says and see if you can work something out before going to see a lawyer. Not in this situation. There's several things, time-wise, you need to hurry up and act. You need to find out what the limitations of liability are on the inspector. Sometimes in the contract that an inspector has, a lot of times you'll hire someone to come and look at your house, and then if you read the fine print, a lot of times it limits their liability to the amount of whatever you paid. And so, so these are very tricky cases. Depending upon how much the property now may be worth less than what it was before, who knows at this point, but what you need to do is immediately seek the advice of a lawyer, because these things are tricky. A lot of times you think you hire someone to inspect your house and then the house falls down or falls apart for whatever reason, you think automatically you have a claim that's going to fix everything. That's not the case.
Should Diane call a contractor to come over, maybe take some pictures?
I'd call a lawyer first.
Before the contractor.
Right.